Hello. As NEET MDS 2023 exam is approaching, one of the biggest challenges you guys have is how to comprehensively revise all subjects in this limited time frame. We have around 50 plus days, right? So keeping these 50 plus days in mind and also keeping several requests we have been getting online, we have come up with a new revision schedule. So I'm not saying this is a perfect schedule. See, there is nothing like perfection. Perfection is a myth. However, we can all chase towards mastery. So take a look at this schedule and see how you can customize it depending upon your level of preparation or depending upon the status of your preparation. And use this as a blueprint. If you observe the schedule, we have clearly divided some X number of days for all the subjects. If you take dental anatomy and oral histology, we have allotted 2 days. Or if you take conservative, 2 days, endodontics, 2 days. Likewise, for various subjects, we have slightly altered the number of days that you need to allot, depending upon the complexity and vastness of that particular subject. If you take dental materials, we have allotted 3 days. For prosthodontics, 3 days. For oral path and oral medicine, 4 days. And for biochemistry, 3 days. Microbiology 3 days, pharmacology 3 days, and general medicine around 4 days. So you can go single subject wise, like for suppose today and tomorrow you can cover dental anatomy and oral histology and then start with conservative and then start with endo, or you can do a combination like for the next 4 days mix up DAOH and conservative. Likewise, next 5 days, you can mix up endo and dental materials. So do it as per your convenience, customize it. Because ultimately, following a specific instruction might not always suit you. So see how you can customize it depending upon your level of preparation or status of your preparation, as I already mentioned previously. And before I conclude, certain very important points which I want you guys to focus on include the following. See, this is one of the commonly asked questions like, what should I do in this 2 months time or less than 2 months time? I suggest you focus on getting exposed to as many MCQs as possible. It can be in the form of any MCQs book you're following, or it can be in the form of any test series or any discussions. Doesn't matter what the source is, but try to get exposed to a wide variety of multiple choice questions. Even though it appears challenging if you don't know the answer to that particular MCQ, remember it's an amazing opportunity for you to learn now. Okay, do all the mistakes possible now itself, not in the final exam. So focus on practicing as many MCQs as possible in these 2 months. Along with that, focus on revising your customized notes. So this is something which I have been telling right from the beginning. Notes is something which you prepare depending upon your level of understanding of that particular subject, concept or topic. So you need to revise your notes, and now is the time for you to repeatedly revise your notes. All of this is to build confidence and to gain more clarity towards that particular topic or subject. Also, I suggest you to participate in discussions. See, you can be wrong, your friends can be wrong. It doesn't matter who is right or wrong. Ultimately, are you learning something from that particular discussion? Is it productive? Is the vibe positive? If that's the case, yes, do participate in discussions as well. And we have several videos for free on YouTube. Also for registered students, we're providing more videos on our e-classes. Do watch the videos. And if you think I'm speaking slow, you can watch those videos in 2x speed, right? If you want to save time. And penultimate, most important though, try to get good sleep and have good quality food. See, sleep is one of the best medicines you can ever have. No matter how many stresses you go through on a particular day, you get a good sleep, good night's sleep. It's like you're restarting your day fresh from the start, with full of energy and enthusiasm. So getting good sleep is very, very important. Getting quality sleep is very, very important. Respect your biological clock. And along with that, I mentioned about food as well. You eat some heavy food. Masalas, non-veg, oily food. Observe how you feel. You eat some light food like fruits, meals, minimizing the quantity. You just observe like how you feel. In later case, you'll feel more lighter, more energetic, more positive. Don't you think so? So focus on these two aspects when it comes to your daily routines. And finally, self-talk. This is something which we do, but in a negative sense. See, I've been interacting with hundreds of aspirants for the past couple of weeks, and one of the most challenging things for any aspirant is to overcome the negativity, which they keep feeding themselves through this negative self-talk. Instead, if you can turn the tide, if you can turn the plate, or if you can turn the table towards the positivity, you'll in fact experience amazing benefits of the same. So my point is, instead of telling yourself like, I'm not good at this, I will not remember this, exam is tough, I'm getting worried, you are nothing but giving some kind of negative feedback to your subconscious mind, and whatever inputs you give or feed to your subconscious mind will be actualized, right? Your mind tries to justify that and prove that. So instead, talk positively to yourself. Keep telling yourself that, yes, I have my own potential. I'm going to remember each and everything that I study. I believe in myself, and I'm going to give my best. With this positive self-talk on daily basis, including positive visualization, as I mentioned previously, imagine that you secured All India Rank 1 in the upcoming entrance. How would you feel? How would your parents, how would your family, how would your friends feel? So, positive self-talk, changing your preparation mindset towards positive will make hell lot of difference. Try it out, and if you still need any guidance, any kind of extrinsic motivation, you can always contact me through WhatsApp 24/7. However, having said that, positive self-talk will be a tremendous source of intrinsic motivation, which will help you sustain your preparation, and not just sustain it, but also helps you progress in your preparation. And finally, we have created a daily schedule format for early risers as well as night owls. So it will be very interesting. Check it out. If you are into preparation 24/7, you can check the schedule, or if you want some kind of customization, feel free to WhatsApp me 24/7. Believe in yourself. Keep giving your best. If not you, who else is going to crack entrance? Love you.